For this video, I have a newly launched product named LED High Tops for which I am offering a $20 discount. I want to promote this product across other store pages using a countdown timer. First, I will install Profi Discount and Countdown Bar from the app link in the description. Once the app is installed, I will go ahead and activate the app embeds from the theme customization section. Next, I will click on the Create Banner button and select Countdown Banner from the options. After the banner edit screen is loaded, I will enter the name of the banner. Then, I will add the required banner message and button text. In order to redirect users to the product page on button click, I will add the destination URL. Next, I will enter the page where the banner needs to be displayed. By default, banner is displayed on all pages. Once banner content is configured, you can click on Style Settings to configure banner styling based on your theme design. To design the countdown timer, navigate to Countdown Setup tab and select from 5 unique timer designs. In addition, you can modify digit, label, and background colors. Let's consider the case where my offer ends after 5 days. In this case, I will select the countdown type as till end date and set the end date as 5 days from now and save the banner. Once banner is saved, refresh the page and the countdown timer bar should be visible. When the Buy Now button is clicked, it must redirect to the product page. Let's consider another case where I want to run a countdown timer for a fixed duration and reset the duration every time countdown ends. For this, I will select the countdown type as duration and enter the duration days, hours, and minutes. To reset the duration every time countdown expires, I will enable the Repeat Timer After Deadline option. I can optionally add an end date if required and save the banner. Now when I go ahead and refresh the page, the countdown should start from 8 hours from the start date. Let's consider the final case where I want to run a countdown timer between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. every day. To achieve that, I will select the countdown type as every day on specific hours and select the start and end hours. I can optionally add an end date if required and save the banner. Now when I refresh the page, the countdown should be calculated based on the time window.